After recovering microtracers from feed samples using the Rotary Detector Magnetic Separator, use an artist's fan brush to gently spread microtracers onto an 18-centimeter filter paper on a clean metal or glass tray. Next, gently spray/mist the paper with a solution of 40 to 70% ethanol or isopropanol, rubbing alcohol, using a spray bottle. The paper should be completely wet, but without any pools of alcohol solution visible on the surface. Microtracer F-red or F-blue spots should be visible within seconds. As soon as the spots appear, place the filter paper on a hot plate and dry the paper completely. Do not burn the paper. We recommend only using Whitman No. 1 or equivalent filter papers for automated counting. Practice with the development procedure will improve spot uniformity and thereby also improve automated spot counting results. 2 additional requirements are: 1. Place a sheet of clean white copy paper in the bottom of the light box and place the filter on top of that paper. This reduces glare and yields a more accurate count. 2. After developing spots and the filter paper is dry, brush off feed particles that may still remain on the filter paper. This will also help provide a more accurate count. Each spot is clearly developed, is not blurry, that is overdeveloped, and they are well distributed across the filter paper.